here, got a buy signal on Tesla. And if we can close with this buy signal and then start to get like at least a B grade to the upside, I will jump into options. I know we're at a resistance level here, but man, while market is open, this is pre-market, but while market is open, these signals have just been bangers. So huge. So, oh, we got a B signal. I'm buying them. All right, let me flip over to my other screen and buy these. All right, so I just grabbed 5 contracts of Tesla. Again, you can use our indicators to trade futures. We're normally trading futures, right? Futures, stocks, options, crypto, Forex. We have traders that are trading Forex. Right now I have an A+ setup to the upside. Beautiful. Your Maverick AI Pro is an A setup. Your Maverick Multi-X is an A setup. And I can walk you through all these things while we're in this trade. But first things first, you have the bulls are in control. You have a green background. Got a beautiful buy signal right here. Love that. And again, these buy signals off the open have just been great. Let's go back to... where was yesterday? Yeah, look at this one yesterday. Holy, and we took a bunch of this yesterday, but look, buy signal right here. Where was your open? Your open was back here, but you didn't have any signals, and you had gray candles, so we just stayed out. Gray means indecision or reversal, so we just sit on our hands. But look at this buy signal. Went all the way up. I mean, just insane off market open. So for the morning time, these signals have been clutch. Here's your buy signal. Okay, market opened, pushed all the way up here, and now here we are right here. We've gone from gray reversal candle to bright green candles. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data, not to price and direction. I'm going to say that again. It colors your candles to the data, not price and direction. So to give you an example, green background, bulls are in control. Let me give you a couple of examples here. So bright green, strongest upside candle. That's the pre-market. Maybe I can get some shorts here. Where are some shorts? Tesla's been doing good lately, huh? That is late night action. Okay, so hot pink is your strongest downside candle. So bright green is your strongest upside candle. Hot pink, we say, look at the sell signal. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Think of this as like a heat map for your candles. Gray means indecision or reversal. Red is your second strongest data to the downside. Even though this is moving up, it still has downside data. That's why you kept flushing down. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. Bright green is your strongest upside candle, and regular green is your second strongest upside candle. So it's like telling you the story. It's like telling you the story. Okay, so we've gone from like this choppiness, reversal, gray crap right here, and now we're finally getting back to bright green, and we're pumping up, right? We love to go long when price is above this blue line. We love to go short when price is below the blue line. Above the blue line, this is, now we're getting into pre-market, so it's going to be pretty flat. Below the blue line, above the blue line right here, so you get the point. So price is above the blue line, bulls are in control. We got a buy signal here. We have bright green candles. We are now getting an up confidence arrow. These are just confidence arrows. This is just letting us know we're moving in the right direction, okay? It's beautiful. All 5 traders, think of T1 through T5 as traders. All 5 traders are voting bullish across 6 time frames. Now I have these set for the 1 minute through the 15 minute, but you can set these for whatever time frames you want, and you can add a 7th time frame. So instead of having all these charts on your screen and trying to read them all at once, why not have 5 traders that all have a completely different style cast a vote every single tick of movement and let you know, what are they thinking? Are they bullish? Or are they bearish? And then our Maverick trender is pegged to the top. When this line is pegged to the top, that's showing strength and momentum. Look at this move from here all the way to here. Boom, huge move. Okay, huge move. Right now, your Maverick trender is completely pegged to the top. You have an uptrend label. It's beautiful, right? So, and I'm only in 5 contracts. Your Maverick radar, what it's doing is it's monitoring all these items. We stack probability. We don't just take a trade because of one signal. We look at all of them. Bulls are in control. Bright green candles, your strongest upside candle. Prices above the blue line. You have a buy signal. All 5 traders are voting bullish across 6 time frames. Your Maverick trender is pegged to the top, and what the Maverick radar is doing is it's looking at all of these things and it's giving you a grade. So we had an A+ grade. Really, I was waiting for a B grade. Boom, I'm getting in. I'm getting into this sucker because we have an A grade. I'm stacking probability. All these things are saying to the upside, shoot, look at it, okay? Okay, even if I just close it out now, 200 and something bucks, I was stacking probability at this moment in time. The Maverick AI Pro, bright green candle, you have an A there. The Maverick Multi-X, you have an A grade here. The Maverick Guide, you have an A grade here. Maverick Trender, you have an A grade here. Okay, so beautiful stuff. Beautiful, beautiful stuff.